best portable toilet. Hello and welcome back. So again, I am back with another exciting and interesting video. So guys, this is one of the major problems that we usually face while on road trips or campaigns. Yes, I'm talking about the bathroom issue. So today I will give you the best 5 portable toilet options that you can easily carry with you to have an easy and comfortable experience. So without any delay, let's start with the discussion. And yes, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then go for it now, as it is totally free. Also, make sure to like, share, and comment on this video. This video is totally based on the research and experience of our friends and families. So, I hope you can relate to that list too. Number 1. Camco Portable Travel Toilet Seat. This is probably one of the most famous movable privy ever made. The Camco Portable Travel Toilet comes in both a 2.6 gallon or a 5.3 gallon bundle. Don't worry, you can usually exchange the measurement of the tank later if you discover you like to go smaller or larger. So this is the edge you can have while using this portable toilet seat. This movable urinary is good sufficient to come alongside on your tent trip, RV adventure, vehicle tenting jaunt, or certainly hold in your outdoors close to your bell tent. The tank is detachable, so you can have a substitute tank equipped to go, whilst the difference is on its way to a dump station. In addition, there's a seal to defend from odors and leaking. The entire part is plastic and solely weighs about 30 pounds when it's full. However, it can cope with a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds, and this is enough for a day trip. Another exceptional thing about the Camco portable lavatory is the comfortable flush. Each flush makes use of less than a quarter gallon of water, so you can go a few days earlier than having to empty the tank. To dump the tank, it's excellent to take it to an RV, gasoline station, or campground dump site that is made particularly for traveling low tanks. So, now let's check the next one and see what we have at number 2. I hope you will like it. Number 2. Dometic 970 Series Portable Toilet. The Dometic 970 model traveling lavatory, almost like the Camco toilet, and it additionally is a 2.6 gallon and 5 gallon model. It's additionally extensively used at campsites, boats, cabins, and backyards toilet seats. The Dometic lavatory seat is a little smaller compared to the Camco, so you should buy it according to your necessity. And when you're figuring out between the smaller or large tank, the large one will require much less emptying. However, it can additionally be pretty heavy to carry. Just think about what it's like carrying a 5-gallon bucket. The Dometic 970 Series Portable Toilet Seater does have an excellent feature, which is a strain flusher. The force holds for a few flushes, so you don't have to pump it continuously. All in all, this is a fantastic, inexpensive choice if you're searching for a transportable toilet. There are pretty a few in a similar way designed traveling loos out there, such as this EarthTech toilet seat with a non-stick floor for simpler cleaning, and this Palm Springs model, which is possibly the most inexpensive model of a basic no-frills transportable toilet. So, you can choose any of them. Number 3. Thetford Port-A-Potty. With the luxurious quiet of the transportable toilet, Thetford's Port-A-Potty 565 is an extra than a few die-hard users who consider this is the high-quality transportable bathroom out there. It sits larger than most different toilets, so you do not have to feel like you are at a yoga session to sit down on the Port-A-Potty. A convenient toilet paper dispenser pops up properly where you could get to it, which means that you should not have to lift or construct something to fit TP. The Thetford Port-A-Potty is a battery-powered electric-powered flush that holds 4 gallons of fresh water, and below that, there are over 5 gallons of wastewater. On the whole, there are over 50 flushes per tank. The battery-powered flush is convenient. However, it should be a problem if you're already out at your campsite and you don't have substitute batteries. However, Thetford does make a guide pump that you may want to buy separately. There's additionally a keep-down package that can impervious the Port-A-Potty to the floor for peace of idea when you travel. Number 4. Basic Wise Portable Travel Toilet. On the contrary, seats of luxury are the easy tending bathrooms that don't have batteries or flushers or something complex at all so that you can easily use them manually. For example, the Basic Wise Portable Travel Toilet is a no-frills lavatory that has a built-in toilet paper holder and a detachable waste pail, and that's incredibly tons of it. You can line the waste pail with disposable waste luggage for effortless cleanup. The Enterprise additionally markets the bathroom as a handy toilet seat for outdoor camping when the lid is closed. So yeah, truly this lavatory has a lot going for it. Furthermore, the Stansport makes this transportable camp lavatory that sits a little greater than most transportable toilets, so you don't have to continuously be squatting. It additionally has a weight potential of 350 pounds, which shows it's successful in assisting a large number of adults. Now, let us check what we have at number 5. I hope this list will be helpful for you to pick the best one. Number 5. Clean Waste Go Anywhere Toilet System. All of the previous transportable bathrooms that I shared earlier required to be positioned in a private, weatherproof place while using, in actuality, a brief lavatory, and that can be a little tough to improvise. So, if you're constructing out an outside tent visitor house, then possibly you'll choose to create a greater everlasting timber structure, like a cabin-esque Porta-Potty. Alternatively, you want to go with a Clean Waste Go Anywhere, which comes with a transportable privateness shelter and is extremely easy to use. The Go Anywhere privacy safe haven seems a bit like a tall tent, and it's set up simply like a usual tent too. It has a 4x4 base and is a little over 5 ft tall, so whilst it's handy for standing, you'll nevertheless likely prefer to sit down. The front of the refuge has a zipper that can be closed when in use. I think this is a really fascinating all-in-one portable bathroom alternative, particularly for those who are putting up a few tents in an area that's far away from a camp porta-potty. It can be assembled in minutes, so you can start putting up your tents even before you're ready to start using them. So, this is it for today. I hope this video will provide you with a lot of new information about the best portable toilets. So, make sure to like, share, and comment on this video. And also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I will be back soon with another interesting video. Till then, make sure to check the links given in the description box for further details.